guys, welcome to Glam Life TV, where you learn all your tips and tricks and wig tutorials. Today we will be doing a review on Elfin hair. So we got this cute package from Elfin hair, so let's unbox it. Inside this package, we have, let's see, it's a 14-inch 5x5 HD lace closure. So I'll be installing this Glueless on my model today. Of course, every good hair have a hair guide, so this is very important. We have a brush, a comb, and stocking cap. So let's get started. So I'm going to use my olive oil grip gel and my edge brush to pull back her edges. Next, I'm going to use a stocking cap. Before spraying the tint, you want to shake the bottle really well, and then you're going to spray it a layer at a time. So you can either blow dry or leave to air dry. Today we're going to leave it to air dry. So our lace is tinted and we're about to reapply our unit. So firstly we add our elastic band first. And then we're going to flip the unit, and it's all about centering the unit. So as you guys can see that the lace is matching the client's complexion. So now we're just going to decide how we're going to part and style the unit. Hi guys, so now that our unit is styled, we're about to cut the lace from our unit. So when you tint it is how it blends naturally into her skin. So I always start cutting my lace from the center. And you always cut in a zigzag motion. Next, I'm going to set the baby hair. Hi guys, as you guys know that Elfin here is a company that I love and I work with a lot, and the quality of this hair is amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial today, and stay tuned to our Facebook, Instagram and YouTube, Glam Life TT. See you next time.